Let's talk about another amazing and rapidly evolving technology known as computer vision. Imagine walking into a modern warehouse where thousands of packages move every day, and every single one of them needs to be scanned, inspected, and tracked. Traditionally, human operators were responsible for inspecting products, identifying defects, or scanning barcodes, which was time-consuming and prone to errors. Today, computer vision is transforming these operations, enabling machines to see and interpret visual data just like humans, but faster and more accurately. Computer vision, in simple words, is like giving eyes to a computer so it can see and understand the world, just like humans do. Imagine you show a photo of a cat to your friend. Your brain quickly says, "Hey, that's a cat!" In the same way, computer vision lets machines look at a picture or video and say, "That's a cat, that's a car, or that's a person." A very easy example is the face unlock feature on your phone. When you look at the camera, the phone is not just taking your picture. It's using computer vision to scan your face, compare it with the stored image, and decide if it matches. Another example is in supermarkets with self-checkout machines. The camera can look at fruits and vegetables like an apple or a banana and automatically identify them so you don't have to type it in. And think of traffic cameras that can read car number plates. Or even Google Photos, where you type dog and suddenly all your dog pictures pop up. That's computer vision at work. So step by step it works like this. First, a camera takes a picture or video. Then special AI algorithms break down the image into tiny pieces called pixels. After that, the system uses neural networks, like a brain with layers, to recognize shapes, patterns, or colors. Finally, it gives an answer, such as, "This is a dog," or "This person is crossing the road." In short, computer vision is the technology that lets machines see, recognize, and understand pictures and videos, just like humans use their eyes and brain. So, what is computer vision? In simple terms, it is a field of artificial intelligence that allows computers and machines to interpret and process visual information from the physical world. While the concept of machine vision has been around since the 1960s, modern computer vision gained significant momentum in the 2010s with advancements in AI, deep learning, and high-resolution cameras. The technology works by capturing images or videos through cameras or sensors, then using algorithms and neural networks to detect, classify, and analyze objects. Let's see how it works step by step. Our first type is barcode and label scanning, where a camera captures the barcode on a product. The system decodes it and updates inventory in real time. Our next type is defect detection, where high-resolution cameras take images of manufactured products and AI algorithms identify scratches, dents, or assembly errors. Another type is object recognition for sorting, where computer vision systems identify and categorize packages based on size, weight, or destination before automated conveyors or robots move them accordingly. Each of these steps allows operations to be faster, more accurate, and less dependent on human intervention. The uses of computer vision are vast. One key use is quality control in manufacturing, where automated inspection ensures only defect-free products leave the production line, reducing recalls and waste. Another use is inventory management in warehousing, where cameras continuously monitor stock levels, track product locations, and prevent misplacement or theft. A third use is logistics and shipment verification, where computer vision verifies that correct items are loaded onto trucks or pallets, reducing errors and improving customer satisfaction. A top real-life case study is Zebra Technologies, which operates in warehouse and logistics automation. They face challenges with mispacked orders, slow inventory checks, and quality control issues across multiple warehouses. In 2021, Zebra implemented computer vision-enabled cameras and AI-based inspection systems, integrated with their warehouse management platforms. As a result, they reported up to 85% faster product inspection, significant reduction in packaging errors, and improved inventory accuracy, leading to higher operational efficiency and reduced operational costs. So, in a nutshell, we simply seen that computer vision is a powerful technology that allows machines to interpret visual information, detect defects, and make intelligent decisions, transforming warehousing, manufacturing, and logistics operations. Hopefully you like this concept because now you can clearly see how integrating AI-driven vision systems enhances productivity, accuracy, and overall supply chain performance. That's amazing learning I believe you have today, and a crucial insight into the future of automated operations.